Here I have NOKIA G60, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this arrow here, go to its settings, and here you have this long press on shutter feature. So you just have to set up burst shots. And then let's try this feature out. Just hold down shutter button and burst shot goes on. And here you can review all of your burst shots and pick the one that you like the most and delete others. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.